नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आप लोग सब अच्छे होंगे। जैसा कि हमने लास्ट क्लास में या फिर पिछली क्लास में हमने कौन सा लेसन देखा था, अन्याय का विरोध। द लास्ट क्लास वी हैव कंप्लीटेड अन्याय का विरोध एंड वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द मौखिक मीन्स ओरल, प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखो, क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड अंग्रेजी अर्थ लिखो, इंग्लिश मीनिंग, हिंदी टू इंग्लिश मीनिंग we have completed. I hope that all of you completed the notes. Okay, so when the lesson is over, when we are taking the exercise, you have to complete that one. You have to write in your notebook. Okay, so today we are going to see the Bhasha Gyan in the same lesson, lesson 6. The same lesson 6 we are going to see the Bhasha Gyan. Okay, Bhasha Gyan, you take the page number 48. The same lesson we are going to see. Which lesson? Anyay ka Virodh. And the same lesson you take 48. Okay, I hope all of you have taken the 48 and the same lesson you see that Bhasha Gyan. Bhasha Gyan. पृष्ठ संख्या 48. So all of you take the page number 48. Lesson already you know, right? Lesson 6. Okay. So I have not mentioned here lesson. You have to take the पृष्ठ संख्या 48 means page number 48. Bhasha Gyan. I hope all of you know the lesson, right? Which lesson is this one? This one is lesson 6. Okay, lesson 6. प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखो, मौखिक and अंग्रेजी अर्थ लिखो. That already we have completed. Today we are going to see the Bhasha Gyan, page number 48. All of you take your textbook. Okay, and the first one you see that what is given there? इन शब्दों के समानार्थक पाठ से ढूंढकर लिखे. Write the synonyms. Right. So already we know, we are learning synonyms already from the grammar textbook. We are learning that one, right? So you have to find from your lesson, which lesson? Anyay ka Virodh. From that lesson itself you have to find and you have to complete the synonyms here. Samanarthak, Paryayvachi Shabd. Okay. So first one already it is given there. First one what is there? Kathor. Cruel. Second one what is there? Darpok. Second one is Darpok. First ka second one what is there? Darpok. Darpok means Bhiru. The third one. What is given there? Third one. Third one what is given there? Bevakoof. Bevakoof means Boda. Foolish. Bevakoof means Boda. Next one what is given there? Gussa. Gussa means what? Angry, right? Krodh. Next one is Koshish. Prayas. Already it is given there. Befikri. Befikri means Laparwahi. 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 Next one is Vetan. Vetan means Tankhwa, right? Salary. Vetan means Tankhwa, salary. The next one is what is given there? Parishram. Parishram means mehnat. Parishram means mehnat. Okay, so the first one, right? First one what is there? Cruel. Next one is Bhiru. Next one, third one is boda, क्रोध, लापरवाही, तनख्वा, मेहनत. Okay, so first one is over. Now we will see the second one. स्त्रीलिंग शब्द लिखे, you have to change the gender. So already this also we have learned. I think some of the words already you have completed in your grammar textbook. Yes or no? Just you see that some of the words we already completed. Once again it is repeat here. We'll say which all words is there in the grammar textbook. Anyone will say that? That is Samrat, Nar, Kavi, Vidwan, Pati. This all the words is there in your grammar textbook. Yes or no? From there only, here also means the both we are learning from your grammar textbook also we are learning, and the same in your Hindi textbook also exercise. Some of the exercise it is same only. Okay, so first one, what is given there? Swami, Swamini. Next one is given there. The second part, स्त्रीलिंग लिखो, स्त्रीलिंग लिखने का दूसरा शब्द, स्त्रीलिंग लिखो, स्त्रीलिंग शब्द लिखो. The first word already it is given there, and most of the words we have learned in the grammar textbook. Okay, so first one already given there, Swami, Swamini. The next one is Vidwan. Vidwan, what is that? Vidushi. Right. Third one, what is given there? Pati, Patni. The fourth one what is asked there? Kavi, Kavitri. Fifth one, what is asked there? Fifth one, Malik, Malkin. Malik, Malkin. Next one, what is given there? Prasasak, Prashashika. Next one, what is given there? Samrat, Samragi. Samragi. Next one, what is given there? Nar, Nari. What is given there? Nar, Nari. Okay, so this is what we have to change the gender. So first one, what is given there? Swami, Swamini. It is already written in your textbook. Vidwan, Vidushi. Pati, Patni. Kavi, Kavitri. Malik, Malkin. Prashasak, Prashasika. Samrat, Samragi. Nar, Nari. Now we will see the विलोम शब्द के जोड़े बनाए, मीन्स बोथ इज गिवन देयर. विलोम शब्द का दोनों शब्द वहां पे दिया है. फ्रॉम देयर यू हैव टू पिक द वर्ड्स एंड यू हैव टू राइट. सो first one you can see that any words you can see the two same words, but it should be opposite, right? So it is Sham, Savera. Next one is Bhiru. Opposite is Nidar. This is already given there. From there you have to pick. Okay. Then Vishwas, Avishwas. Vishwas, Avishwas. The fourth one is प्रेम. उसका ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? घृणा. उसका ऑपोजिट क्या है? घृणा. नेक्स्ट वन इज विनीत, अविनीत. Vineet means humble. Vineet, Vineet. Next one is Prasanna. Prasanna, the opposite is Krud. Krodh or Krud is given there. Okay. Next one is Komal, Kathor. Komal, Komal, Kathor. Komal, Kathor. Okay. So already both words are given there. Okay. Sham, Savera, Bhiru, Nidar, Vishwas, Avishwas, Prem, Grina, Vineet, Avineet, Prasanna, Krud, Komal, Kathor. Okay. I hope you have understand this one. Both you have to write here, because that both answer is given here itself in the textbook itself, that given, that one you have to complete it. Okay. So regarding of this lesson, already we have completed Prashno ke Uttar Likho. In the last class we have completed Maukhik and Likhit also we have completed, and today we have completed the grammar portion, first, second and fourth one. Okay, first, second and fourth one already we have completed, and regarding of this only, this grammar only, we will see from your Vyakaran Vatika some of the exercise we can complete. Okay, I will give you homework, that one you have to do it. The first one is, what is given there? Paryayavachi, right? The Paryayavachi, according to that you have to take your Vyakaran Vatika. All of you take your Vyakaran Vatika, page number 31. Page number 31. Till Jal we have completed, means 16. So after that you have to study the 5 words. Which all words? Talab, Daat, Nadi, Nav, Pakshi. This one you have to study. This is the homework for you. Okay, next class I will ask you. Based of this only, nothing else. Okay, Samanarthak means Paryayavachi Shabd. So you have to study from your textbook 2, but only 2 you have to study. Okay, so 17 to 21 you have to study that one. The next one is given there, Striling Shabd Likho, right? Striling and Pulling. So that also you have to do from your grammar textbook. You have to take the page number 61. Page number 61. Already first, second and third we have completed, right? First, second and third, and the last column we have completed. The next you have to Vati Pratyay, Iya Pratyay और नी प्रत्यय से बनने वाले शब्दों को, स्त्रीलिंग शब्दों को फिर से पढ़ना है. Okay, the example is given. बलवान, बलवती, आयुष्मान, आयुष्मती, रूपवान, रूपवती, this given there. So that one you have to. Okay. Then last fourth one what we have did from your textbook, that is Vilom Shabd Likho. Right, Vilom Shabd ke jode banaye. So from your textbook itself, once again you have to study. So you have to take page number 34. The regarding of this base only you have to study from your grammar textbook also. Some opposite words you have to study from here. 21 to 30. 21 to 30 you have to study. This is your homework. 3 homework you have to do it. Which all is there? Page number 31, 17 to 21. Then page number 59. Striling se pulling mein likhna hai. Okay. The next is page number 34. Vilom Shabd. Regarding of your Hindi textbook, the same thing you have to study from your grammar textbook. Okay. So this you have to complete it. I hope it is clear to you. If you have regarding of this any doubt, you can ask me through the WhatsApp. What we have did in the textbook, the same you have to do in the grammar textbook also, and you have to learn that also. Okay children. So I hope that what I have taken today, it is clear to you, and what all things I am giving, what all work and homework I am giving, that you have to write and study. Then only you will never make mistakes, spelling mistakes. Okay, otherwise what will happen, if you will not write and study, you will make more spelling mistake. So all of you write and study all the meanings, question answers, mock key, grammar part, everything. And already I have told you in the third term, means the final term, inside the textbook also question answer will be there. One word question answer will be there. So you have to, what you have to do? You have to read the textbook. If you are not reading the textbook, you will not get the one word answers. So next time onwards, what you have to do? You have to read the lesson, and write and study also you have to do it. Okay children. So today's class I am going to wind up. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.